Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dionne. I am the owner of Dionne's Jewelry Avenue. And if you read in the title, then you know that we are going to dry some leaves because I use my leaves and put them in my resin bookmarks. Here's example one of them. Let me lay this flat so you can see the leaves right here. And here's another one I just finished. This is a smaller size. And since I got these leaves growing all over my yard, I figured why not show you guys how I take my time to dry these. So what you're gonna need is some paper. This is just some regular copy paper, your scissors, and a book to put it in. So I already picked the leaves. They're right here. So I'm gonna fold this paper. I'm gonna fold it in half. I'm gonna fold it again. And I only picked enough leaves, just enough to make my project. I don't want to get too many leaves. And they're just sitting there. So, like I said, I got these growing all over my yard. So after you cut your paper, open it up. And with your leaves, you're going to need to lay them as flat as possible. You put this right here at the top. Well, you can't get them to lay flat. Then just put them by themselves then. Because last weekend I sold, I believe, like 10 bookmarks, so I made some more. So I'm about out of leaves again. And I also put these in my keychains too, my letter keychains that I make with flowers. I put those in there too. Also, I'm trying to let these plants grow as big as possible. The bigger the plant, the bigger the leaves. That's what I'm thinking. All right, next is fold your paper over. Like that. And then get a really big, heavy book. And stick it inside. Let's see if I can find the other one that I did 2 weeks ago. Okay. So this is the one I did a couple of weeks ago. See how this is? And after it's dried out, I like to stick them in a sandwich bag to keep some of the moisture. So there's that one. Also, when you pick these leaves out of your yard, check the back of them to make sure there's no living creatures living on it and stuff like that. You want to bring in stuff in your house. You're putting it in your books and there's something living in it. So my next video, I think I'll just, like I said, I'll try to make a video of me making some bookmark and maybe a keychain. Because I already got some leaves already done. And this is pretty simple. Nothing hard about this. All right, and that's about it. And that's how I dry my leaves for my bookmarks and my keychains. If you have any questions or would like to leave a nice comment, please do so. And once again, my name is Dionne from Dionne's Jewelry Avenue. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. That will truly help me out my channel and motivate me to make more videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.